Everything you want is waiting for you on the other side of consistency. We're currently reading the book, The Compounding Effect, in our members mastermind group. And the first chapter was talking about the story of the tortoise and the hare, the turtle and the hare, if you mean. And most of you know that story, right? The turtle, the hare had a race, and the hare was the fastest animal in the forest. Always boasting about being the fastest animal. But the turtle came and challenged the hare to a race. And I guarantee that at the end of this race, I will be the winner. The hare laughed it off and was like, sure, let's do it. They had a starting line and an end goal, and they went for it. So the hare sped up and just started running as fast as he could because he is the fastest after all. And the turtle just took step by step, as you know how turtles do, and was going step by step by step by step at his own pace. And the hare was so far down the line, I think it was a 3-mile race, and it was about 2.5 miles in or more, and he turned around and saw that the turtle was nowhere to be seen. So the hare thought, okay, let me rest a little bit under this tree and wake up a little bit later and continue my race, right? The turtle is so slow, he'll never make it this far anyways. So as the hare went and rested under a tree, the turtle was steadily going through the race and going step by step by step by step by step. The turtle came all the way to the point of where the hare was, taking a nap. And he saw the hare taking a nap and he didn't say anything, and he continued going step by step by step by step. At some point, the hare woke up in a panic and said, oh, I dozed off. Oh, and he turned around and he saw that the turtle was nowhere to be seen, and he thought, oh, see, there was no reason for me to rush. And as he was going towards the finish line, he saw that the turtle was out of the finish line. And as the hare saw the turtle, the hare just started speeding up to get to the finish line, but the turtle had won the race. What is the moral of the story? In French it says, rien ne sert de courir, il faut partir à point. It's useless to try to rush things. It's useless to try to put in all of your energy at the beginning and then let it go, and have all the excitement at the beginning and let it go and not complete. What's most important is those tiny steps that you can make, the tiny changes, the tiny things you can do consistently on a daily basis, every single day, that will get you to that finish goal, that will get you to the other side. Everything you want is on the other side of consistency. And these things are easy not to do, but they're also easy to do. And I think that's what makes it so challenging, because it's easy to just not do them. You told yourself that you would read 30 minutes a day, a chapter of a good book, of a personal development book, 30 minutes a day. It's easy not to do, and it's also easy to do. You told yourself that you would put in those steps, right? 5,000 to 10,000 steps per day, right? It's easy to do. It's just one step at a time, but it's also easy not to do. It's easier to say, oh, I had a long day and I deserve to just sit down and watch Netflix. So these are things that are easy to do, but also easy not to do. So as long as you're consistent on the little things, as long as you're consistent on these things, these important things that will bring you closer to your goal, then you will get to that goal. Go step by step by step by step. Just like the turtle, do not stop. Do not stop for that break under the tree like the hare and doze off, because you put in all of your energy at the beginning and you had nothing left to complete the race. Go step by step by step by step. And as you go, you'll realize that the curve will continue going up and up and up and up for you when it's easy to do. Or it's easy not to do, right? And you think today it doesn't matter. Tomorrow it doesn't matter. Tomorrow it doesn't matter. Tomorrow it doesn't matter. Tomorrow it doesn't matter. And it'll keep going down. So which way do you want your life to go? Up or down. You decide. You decide. Everything you want is on the other side of consistency. I'm Linda Poinding. I am a leadership and performance coach, and this was my word for the day. Hope you learned something, because I did, just as I was talking and just as I keep reading. Let me know if you want to join our mastermind group where we read amazing books that help you build yourself, grow yourself, and we also talk about goals and the things that you want to do in life. So let me know in the comments if you want to be part of our mastermind group and join our book club as well.